The solar system. The sun, the 8 planets, the satellites, and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids are known together as solar system. Now look at the diagram here. It is showing us the solar system and sun as the main source of energy. Look, students, I have a model of the solar system representing the 8 planets too. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and Sun as the main source of energy. Do you know Sol in Roman mythology is the sun god? Solar means related to sun. The family of the sun is therefore called the solar system. Now look at the paragraph telling us about the sun. Yes, the sun. Here is the sun. I am going to talk about the sun. The sun is the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It provides pulling force that binds the solar system. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. But that tremendous heat is not felt so much by us because despite of being our nearest star, it is very far away from us. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Moving on to the next paragraph, we have the planets. Yes, there are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Look, students, this is the model of the solar system. Yes, it is in order of their distance from the sun. The planets are placed according to their order of distance from the sun. The first one is Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. An easy way to remember the name of the planets in order of their distance from the sun is a very beautiful sentence. It goes, "My very efficient mother just served us nuts." Now, my, the M stands for Mercury, very, V stands for Venus, efficient, E stands for Earth, mother, M stands for Mars, just, J stands for Jupiter, served, S stands for Saturn, us, U stands for Uranus, and nuts, N stands for Neptune. Such a beautiful sentence to remember the 8 planets. That is, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. Isn't it interesting, children? Moving on with the paragraph further, it tells us all the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in fixed paths. These paths are elongated. They are called orbits. Mercury is the nearest to the sun. It takes only about 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. Venus is considered as the Earth's evening star because its size and shape are very much similar to that of the Earth. Till recently, that is till August 2006, Pluto was also considered a planet. But however, in a meeting of the International Astronomical Union, a decision was taken by that Pluto, like other celestial objects discovered in recent past, may be called a dwarf planet. Moving on with the next paragraph, we have the Earth. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun. In size, it is the fifth largest planet. It is slightly flattened at the poles. That is why its shape is described as geoid. Geoid means an Earth-like shape. Conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on the earth. The earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air, which are very essential for our survival. The air has life supporting gases like oxygen. Because of these reasons, the Earth is a unique planet in the solar system. From the outer space, the Earth appears blue because its two-thirds surface is covered by water. It is therefore called a blue planet. Now look what I'm going to show you. Now look the blue planet in front of you. It is mostly blue, and that is why when seen in the solar system it appears blue, because two-thirds surface is covered by water and therefore called a blue planet. Moving on further, we have the moon. You can very well see the picture of the moon, and the moon as seen from the space looks like this. Even we see the moon during the vision of the night sky. Our Earth has only one satellite, that is the Moon. Its diameter, that is the full diameter, is only 1/4 that of the Earth. It appears as big because it is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. Now, you can compare the distance of the Earth from the Sun and that from the Moon. The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us on the earth. The moon does not have conditions favorable for life. It has neither water nor air. It has mountains, plains, and depressions on its surface. These cast shadows on the moon's surface. Look at the full moon and observe these shadows. Now we have asteroids. Apart from the stars, planets, and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroid. You can see a picture of the asteroid next to the paragraph. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Scientists are of the view that asteroids are parts of a planet which exploded many years back. Last paragraph tells me about meteoroids. The small pieces of rocks which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. It causes a flash of light. Sometimes a meteoroid, without being completely burnt, falls on the earth and creates a hollow. Do you see a whitish broad band, like a white glowing path across the sky on a clear starry night? Yes, it is a cluster of millions of stars. This band is known and called the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is part of this galaxy. In ancient times, or in ancient India, it was imagined to be a part of a river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named the Akash Ganga. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that make the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. We are not certain about its size, but we know that all of us, you and I, belong to this beautiful universe. So I hope, children, this was an interesting chapter and I have given my best to make you clear about the solar system.